Epictetus said, "Some things are in our control and others not." This one line captures the heart of Stoic philosophy, and it leads us to the big three: perception, action, and will. According to the Stoics, everything in life falls into one of three areas: perception, how you see and interpret the world; action, how you behave and treat others; will, how you endure and respond to what you can't control. Master these three, and you master life. Perception is about clarity. Are you seeing things as they are, or through fear, ego, or assumptions? Action is about virtue. Are your choices guided by courage, justice, and discipline? Will is about resilience. Do you accept what life throws at you? Or do you resist reality and suffer more? This trio is the Stoic compass. When you're lost, return to it. When you're overwhelmed, rely on it. Something bad happens. Pause. Check your perception. Is this truly bad or just uncomfortable? Now take right action. Do what needs to be done. And then use your will. Accept what you can't change. Endure with grace. Remember, you don't control everything, but you do control these three things: your view, your actions, and your attitude. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. Stoic wisdom every day.